So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this essential great WordPress plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So I will purchase it and I will show you how you can also install it. So you have to fill your basic details. Place order. Now after the payment will be done, you'll see two files. The first one is the plugin file and the second one is the license key file. The license key will be already enabled with your plugin, but if there will be any problem then you can manually copy this license key and you can paste it. Now it's done. So now it's time to install it. So you have to go to plugin, install plugin, then upload plugin, choose files. As you can see, this is successfully done. You see this? It's successfully installed and activated. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.